Namaste everyone. So today we will discuss about the comparative income statement, of management accounting. So this is RCU 2016 question for 5 marks. So let's see the question. The condensed figures of income statement are given for 2 years relating to Amul Company Limited. You are required to prepare the comparative income statement. Here you have to prepare comparative income statement. Particulars 2014-15 sales revenue 2,40,000 in the year 2015. Cost of goods sold 1,50,000, 1,76,000. Administrative expenses 8,000, 16,000. Selling expenses 12,000, 16,000. Financial expenses 4,000, 2,000. So let's find the solution. So write here as comparative income statement of Amul Company Limited for the year ending 2014 and 2015. Particulars 2014-2015 increase or decrease, then increase or decrease percentage. These are the columns for the calculation of comparative income statement. Then we have a format for this calculation or this solution. So first one is right here as continuing operations. So this is a vertical format. First one, see here sales revenue in the question, sales revenue, and it is known as revenue from operations. Revenue from operations in bracket write as sales. So in the year 2014 the amount is 2 lakh, and in the year 2015 the amount is 2,40,000. So by comparing these 2 years, the sales increases from 2 lakh to 2,40,000. So ಈ ಎರಡು 2 years na comparison ಮಾಡಿ, so increase or decrease ಐಡೆಂಟಿಫೈ ಮಾಡಿ, ಸೊ ಅದು ಪರ್ಸೆಂಟೇಜ್ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದನ್ನು ಕಂಪೇರಿಟಿವ್ ಇನ್ಕಮ್ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಕರೀತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಸೇಲ್ಸ್ 2 lakhsದಿಂದ 2,40,000ಗೆ ಇನ್ಕ್ರೀಸ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಎಷ್ಟಂದ್ರೆ 40,000. 2 lakh 2014 ಇದ್ದ 2015ಗೆ 40,000 ಇನ್ಕ್ರೀಸ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಸೊ ಇನ್ಕ್ರೀಸ್ ಆರ್ ಡಿಕ್ರೀಸ್, ಸೊ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಇನ್ಕ್ರೀಸ್, ಮೈನಸ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಡಿಕ್ರೀಸ್. ಸೊ ಪ್ಲಸ್ 4,000 ಮೀನ್ಸ್ 4,000 ಈಸ್ ಇನ್ಕ್ರೀಸ್. ದೆನ್ ಇನ್ಕ್ರೀಸ್ ಆರ್ ಡಿಕ್ರೀಸ್ ಪರ್ಸೆಂಟೇಜ್. ಸೊ ಪರ್ಸೆಂಟೇಜನ್ನು ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದಾದರೆ ಇದರ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ percentage equal to increase or decrease divided by base year, or you can also write here as last year base year profit into 100. So see here, increase or decrease is how much? 40,000. Then last year our base year profit is, that is 2014 revenues 2 lakh into 100. If you do like this, then how much you get the percentage? That is 20%. Right here as 20%. So this is a method of calculation of increase or decrease percentage. So increase or decrease divided by base year into 100. So 40,000 divided by 2 lakh into 100 calculate ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 20% ನಮ್ದು increase or decrease percentage ಬರ್ತದೆ. So ಇದು ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಕಂಪೇರಿಟಿವ್ ಇನ್ಕಮ್ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಐಟಮ್ಗೂ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. So write here as plus, which means increase 20%. Okay, then second one, so they have given sales revenue. So sales revenue bitre baki yavu incomes illa. So cost of goods sold expense ida, administrative expense ida, selling amele financial expense ida. So here the revenue items are over. Okay, write here as total A. So revenue items ಎಷ್ಟ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಇದನ್ನ ಟೋಟಲ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಸೊ ಇದನ್ನ A ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ರಿಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟೇಟಿವ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಸೇಮ್ 2,40,000 plus 40,000 increase agada, so percentage 20. So ಇದು total ಆಯಿತು. Then second one write here as expenses. Okay, expenses. So first expense ಏನಿದೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ cost of goods sold. Okay, write here as A, cost of goods sold. Okay, 1,50,000 and 1,76,000. So write here as 1,50,000, 1,76,000. Okay, how much increased? 1,50,000 to 1,76,000. Okay, 26,000 is increased. So cost of goods sold expense 1,50,000 2014 gittu, 2015 gadre expense 1,76,000 increase agide. So yes, increase answer 26,000. Then percentage is 26,000 divided by 1,50,000 into 100. We get 17.33%. Okay, write here correctly, 17.33%. Okay. Then second expenses, cost of goods sold is over. The next administrative expenses. So write here as B, that is administrative expenses. Okay, how much? 8,000 and 16,000. So write here 8,000, 16,000. Okay, how much is increased? That is rupee 8,000 and percentage 8,000 divided by 8,000 into 100, we get 100%. Okay, the next expenses, selling expenses. So write here as C, selling expenses. Okay, selling expenses, how much they have given? 12,000, 16,000. So write here 12,000, 16,000. So how much is increased? That is rupee 4,000. Okay, then percentage 4,000 divided by 12,000 into 100, we get plus 33.33%. Okay, then last expense is financial expenses. So write here D, financial expenses, that is 4,000 and 2,000. Okay, here the expense is decreased. So 4,000 is 2,000 kadime. So that is why right here minus 2,000 and percentage we get, that is so minus 50. Okay, then make total of these. So this is total B, total B. Okay, make these totals 1,74,000, 2,10,000. Okay, and how much it increased? So total B, here we get 1,74,000 and 2,10,000. So the difference is 36,000, and 36,000 divided by 1,74,000, we get, that is plus 20.68%. And after this, here we find out net profit or operating profit, that is A minus B. Okay, here we get rupee 26,000, which means 2 lakh minus 1,74,000, we get 26,000, and 2,40,000 minus 2,10,000, we get 30,000. Then these two difference is 4,000 and percentage is 15.38%. So ಅಲ್ಲಿ A minus B first ಆಮೇಲೆ second column ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಸೊ ಥರ್ಡ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಫೋರ್ತ್ ಕಾಲಮ್ಗೆ ಎ ಮೈನಸ್ ಬಿ ಇವು ಮೇಲಿನ ವಿಚ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಕಂಪ್ಯಾರಿಸನ್ 40,000 ಮೈನಸ್ 36,000 4,000 ಬರ್ಬೋದು. ಅದರ ಪರ್ಸೆಂಟೇಜ್ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಎ ಮೈನಸ್ ಬಿ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಡ್ರಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ 26,000, ಸೊ 30,000, ಸೊ 4,000 ಇನ್ಕ್ರೀಸ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಸೊ 15.38% ಬರ್ತದೆ. ಸೊ ಎ ಮೈನಸ್ ಬಿ 14, 15 ಕಾಲಮ್ಗೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಸೊ ರಿಮೈನಿಂಗ್ ಪರ್ಸೆಂಟೇಜ್ ಕಾಲಮ್ಗೆ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಆಗಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಅದನ್ನ ಕಂಪ್ಯಾರಿಸನ್ ಮಾಡಿ 4,000 ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಬೈ 26,000 ಇಂಟು 100 ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 15.38% ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಬರ್ತದೆ. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.